In a really weird turn of events, I drove out here till 5:30 in the morning, saw a rest stop about a half hour from here, and just straight up snoozed. Straight up, just dove out and was done. So I slept in this car, and my neck, I feel all rough, but I woke up 2 hours later to Joe saying that he was on his way, and the car was coming. So I'm in line right now. It's a very small place in the middle of nowhere. That's my first impression. Is I actually really love how intimate the event is. I feel like I'll have some chance to run a couple times and show them what I got. Show them what you got. There you have it. We officially made it to the event. I don't know how Joe or I are alive. This has been torturous at best. But Joe, me, and the car are all here. I would argue that this car right here is probably the roughest car at this event. I don't even think that's an argument. I think that's just kind of a fact. If I looked age, just because I'm at this event. I'm trying to keep some secret parts secret, which is very difficult when you're a YouTuber and people are just hanging around. And it's no problem on their part. It's just that you can't be both a public figure and try to test something. I've had to keep the hood completely closed and like slip my fingers under there. Abel's unfortunately not able to make it, so I'll be honest, I'm a little nervous. But the rules here are that if you're gonna go over 180, you have to prove that you're going over 180 on a solo run, something like that. But the problem is after 190, you get kicked out if you don't have a roll cage, fire suppression, and other things, which this car has none of those. So I need to do just enough to do 180, which I don't have a speedometer. I don't have anything to tell my speed. So I need to do over 180, but not over 190 on the trial run to show then that I can go over higher and then set a number. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm a little nervous. I'm, first of all, the only rotary, again. Second of all, no time to test anything, really. And of course, having more horsepower, this is nuts. Lack of sleep. There's a lot working against me. I might be doing 180.
What's up?
I might be doing 180. I've never ran with you guys before.
So what was that?
There's that thing that I'm supposed to do a solo run if I'm gonna do 180.
Oh, so you want a solo run?
Yeah.
Alright. So you just wait and then...
Okay. Oops. I appear to have sheared the shit out of my front splitter. Alright, everything's covered in dust. I need to see what's happened. Uh-oh, that's not a good sign. Whoa! I sheared the whole front edge off of the splitter.
Wood under your splitter?
No.
Something just fell out of your car.
Oh, you know, I had a piece.
You gonna be alright?
Yeah, I'm gonna be good. I took my splitter off because it was dragging.
Alright.
So this was a mounting
No wonder,
piece.
we've been finding these bolts. We found both of them.
Okay.
They're trash them. Go for it.
Okay. Jesus Christ. Fuck! That was nuts. That was absolutely insane. The car's hot as hell. There's smoke everywhere. But wow! That fifth gear pull was just nuts. Absolutely nuts. Like, fifth gear was like my old fourth gear where you could just keep pulling. Oh my god, what a fucking adrenaline rush. Like, I'm legitimately shaking. Well, if I accomplished anything, even if that run was worse than my last run on the old transmission and everything, I don't even care. That was a balls out run. I definitely do boost by gear, which I had until I swapped transmissions.
Establishes that you can't rely on any run previous of 1 p.m. So if you're in the top 4, you got to get out and make a run. And
So what part of Michigan?
Well, just south of Detroit, down in Monroe.
Okay, I'm from Wayne.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I noticed the plates. I'm like, wait a minute. Good.
Okay. Aside from the hilarious burnout attempt, this thing kicks ass when you do a little bit of a baby burnout and then give it some traction. We'll have to look at the logs a little bit further, but that felt good. Do I think that beat my previous time? What the hell is this? difference. I can't really tell, but it still was a killer run. It felt good. I was in control until I had to stop. That was one hell of an event. I feel like I'm sunburnt. I'm sleep deprived. I'm angry. I'm horny. I'm upset. I'm happy. Life is crazy, and this is one of those really quality moments that will remain a good memory for a long time, until I die. I did, in fact, break my record, and then I pushed it just a little bit further the next run. I was wheel spinning on one run, and then did a burnout, and then, of course, I don't have a tach on the car, and so I couldn't see the RPMs, and so I wasted some times there. All that, I think I could easily hit mid-180s, high 180s, but you're going to have to turn up the boost to hit 190s. Regardless, shift sector, no lift, you guys have been awesome. This has been a great event, and I'll certainly be back again.